Microsoft has finally announced Windows 11 and it brings a fresher and a simpler design for users along with several new features including a cleaner start menu, UI productivity and performance enhancement, and a new app store with access to Android apps, gaming improvements and much more. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish and today in this video I'm going to tell you about the all new Windows 11 and things you need to know about the launch of Windows 11, and there are some features in Windows 11 that you might not know, so make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to my channel if you want to know that how to upgrade to Windows 11 or how to download Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So now without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So let's begin with the all new start menu. It is now located in the center of the taskbar and can be easily accessed by clicking on the start menu. The start menu straight away presents the simpler design of new OS, with most of the top half dedicated to pinned apps and the bottom half showing recommended files and apps. There is a search bar at the top of the menu that can be used for searching the device as well as the web. And with the live tiles and other elements removed, the start menu easily looks cleaner and offers things that user would need to get started. Other than this, the start is powered by cloud and Microsoft 365, which makes it possible to display recent files on the menu even if they have accessed on a different device or a platform. Now the Windows 11 UI is visually pleasing with different elements like colors, transparencies, transitions and rounded corner across the OS. Plus, there is also a light and a dark mode along with a new wallpaper and themes that offers further customization options. Now other than these design updates, there are 5 other features that you should definitely watch, and the first one is widgets. So the new widget layout slides out like a sheet of glass to offer artificial intelligence personalized feed to user. While working or otherwise using the widgets, user can take a quick look to their calendar, check their weather forecast, glance at top news stories and track out stock market. And for the enhanced productivity, Windows 11 includes features such as Snap Layout, Snap Group and Desktops. The Snap Layout presents different layout options when working with multiple apps simultaneously, with swiftly arranged the apps side by side on the screen to aim multitasking. Whereas Snap Groups are a collection of apps that a user is working with, which can be accessed together quickly even after a break straight from taskbar, and the desktop can be now customized with individual wallpapers, and user can create multiple desktops for work, entertainment or gaming with different sets of apps to stay organized. The OS also offers a new easier docking and undocking experience for multi-screen users. And now the second feature that has been added to Windows 11 is the all new Microsoft Store, and this time it's not just an normal store. You can now install Android apps on your PC also. The software firm introduced a new Microsoft Store as a single destination for apps, games as well as media content like movies and TV on Windows 11. The store will feature own and third-party apps like Visual Studio, Disney+, Adobe Creative Cloud, Zoom and Canva. In addition, Windows users will be able to browse Android apps in the store and download them via Amazon App Store. To bring Android experience into new OS, Microsoft joined forces with Amazon as well as Intel to use its Intel Bridge technology. Now the another feature that you need to know is, and is also a best upgrade from Microsoft, is gaming upgrade. Now this time Microsoft promises to deliver the best PC gaming experience on Windows 11. The OS will feature technology to enhance graphics performance like Auto HDR, enabling support games to render a much wider range of brightness and colors. For fascinating visual experience and DirectX 12 Ultimate that provide immersive graphics at high frame rate. Windows 11 will also support direct storage technology with specific hardware and drivers for fast load times and more detailed game world. The Xbox app is now built into Windows 11, providing easier access to Game Pass, through which user will be able to browse and play over 100 PC games from different genres. Also with the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, user can experience Xbox cloud gaming on Windows PC via browser, and with cross-play and cross-save, you can now play these games seamlessly across the device. And now the last and a great thing that you need to know in Windows 11 is it is free for Windows 10 users. So Windows 11 will be available through free upgrade for eligible Windows 10 users and on Windows PCs this year according to Microsoft. And if you also want to know how to upgrade or download Windows 11 on your PC or laptop, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Microsoft has also provided minimum system requirements for Windows 11, which includes a 64-bit processor, 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more core, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB or larger storage device. Detailed system requirements are also available for certain features that require specific hardware. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section below that will you upgrade to Windows 11 or not. And if you want to know that how to upgrade to Windows 11 or how to download Windows 11 on your PC or laptop, then subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want instant tech updates on your Instagram profile. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.